Don't throw away that tomato. Just one tomato can make your plants grow 10 times faster. And it's 100% natural. No chemicals, no store-bought fertilizers. Just one tomato, and your garden will thank you in days. Let me show you how. You will need 1 ripe tomato, any variety, 1 liter of clean water, a blender or mixer, a strainer. Tomatoes are rich in potassium, magnesium, calcium, and natural enzymes. Exactly what your plants need to grow strong roots and lush green leaves. 1. Cut the tomato into small chunks. 2. Add it to a blender with 1 liter of water. 3. Blend it well until smooth. 4. Strain the mixture using a sieve. 5. Pour the juice into a jug or watering can. Make sure you strain it well. We only want the liquid part to avoid clogging the soil. You can pour this fertilizer directly into the soil near the roots, or dilute it a little more and spray it on the leaves once a week. Why this works: boosts root strength, promotes faster leaf and flower growth, prevents nutrient deficiency, helps with overall plant immunity. In just 7 days, you'll see greener leaves, stronger stems, and faster growth, all from one simple tomato. So the next time you see a leftover or overripe tomato, remember, it's not waste, it's garden gold. Like, share, and subscribe if you want more simple gardening secrets using kitchen ingredients. And let me know in the comments how this tomato fertilizer worked for your plants.